Good evening, everyone. This is Brother Charlie from Brother Charlie's Cooking Show on YouTube and usually shared to Facebook. Today I made this delicious bisque and I've already had one big bowl of it. It's called Mexican Shrimp Bisque. Here's the introduction from the lady who put the recipe in the 25th anniversary cookbook of Taste of Home Favorites. She says, her name's Karen Harris from Littleton, Colorado. I enjoy both Cajun and Mexican cuisine, and this rich, elegant soup combines the best of both worlds. Actually, it's not a soup, it's a bisque because it's thicker than a soup. Anyway, let me show you the picture of it. There it is. It's delicious. Mexican shrimp bisque. I have a little bit left on the stove, which I'm going to put into my bowl now. That's what it looks like. That's very little left because I've already had a big bowl of it. Believe me, it is delicious. Bisque. Actually, it says it makes enough for 3, but like I say, it makes enough for 1 for me. Because it is so delicious. Anyway, there it is. And before I give you the ingredients, I will tell you that for the garnish at the end, it calls for lovely sliced sliced avocado and some fresh, sprinkle it with cilantro, fresh cilantro, which I have right here. It's a little more expensive when you don't, and they already pre-chop it for you. If I can get it open. Oh, there it is, okay. So, sprinkle a little bit of that on top of your soup. A little cilantro, fresh. And your avocado, which I had already pre-sliced a half of a large avocado. And put it in here. There you go, avocado. There's your garnish. Lovely. Actually, that's only half a bowl. I had a large full bowl already. I might have to heat it up here. Anyway, there you are. Now I'm going to give you the ingredients. Since I didn't demonstrate how to make this, I had thought of recording this after the fact, after I already guzzled a whole bowl of it. Anyway, there you are. Now, let me read you the ingredients. So, if you have a pen and paper, that'd be great. Here's your ingredients to the Mexican shrimp bisque. If I can see it, my eyes aren't as good as they used to be. Of course, I ain't as young as I used to be either. What happened? Anyway, here's your ingredients. If you have a pen and paper, pencil and paper. Okay, it says it takes 30 minutes. Makes 3 servings, but like I said, it makes 1 for me. Anyway, 1 small onion chopped. I hope you have your pen and paper. 1 small onion chopped. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 2 garlic cloves minced. 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. 1 cup of water. 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream. 2 teaspoons chicken bouillon granules. What I use now is better than bouillon. I use this better than bouillon chicken flavor. My friend Roseanne in Columbus, Roseanne Hansen, she put me onto this, and it's more flavorful than the bouillon actually. 2 teaspoons. I use 2 teaspoons of that instead of the bouillon granules. Okay, you've got that. Now, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander, then 1/2 pound of your uncooked medium shrimp, peeled and deveined, about 1/2 pound. I believe I purchased the shrimp, but it was a 9 ounces, I think. Yeah. No, it was 10 ounces, so I used a 10-ounce little package of raw shrimp, tails off and peeled and deveined from Kroger's. So, there you are. Maybe you can find that at your Kroger store. Okay, there's your shrimp. Then, let me see, what's next? Oh, yeah, okay. You got your shrimp, okay. 1/2 cup of sour cream. And then your garnish, which of course with your chopped fresh cilantro and sliced avocado. Optional, of course, but it does add a lot of nice taste to it. Anyway, okay, here's your directions. 1, in a small saucepan, saute onion in oil, in your olive oil, 1 tablespoon, until it's tender. Then add your garlic, cook 1 minute or so longer. Stir in your flour until blended. Stir in the water, cream, your heavy whipping cream, your bouillon, you're better than bouillon, and your seasonings. Okay, bring to a boil, reduce your heat, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. I didn't bother covering it. I don't know why you have to do that. Anyway, number 2, cut your shrimp into bite-sized pieces if you wish. I left mine whole. They were kind of medium. Okay, then you add your shrimp to the soup. Simmer about 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes longer, or until the shrimp turn pink, which means they're done, I suppose. Anyway, then place your sour cream in a small bowl and gradually stir in about 1/2 cup of your soup, the hot soup, into the sour cream. Then you return all to the pan, stirring constantly. Heat through, do not boil. Top with your cilantro and avocado if desired. And there you are, my friend. There's your soup. Your bisque, no, not soup, bisque. Your Mexican shrimp bisque, which, believe me, is very delicious. You will not regret it. So there you are, Brother Charlie's Cooking Show. Thank you very much. God bless, and bon appetit. And I don't know how you say it in Mexican, in Spanish, How do you say bon appetit in Spanish? Whatever, anyway. Take care, God bless. Enjoy that recipe. Keep cooking. And keep smiling.